So one of the things that you can do inside of Pixlr Designer is use text presets. So to do that, you can go around onto the text section over here, and there's different text as you can see right here, some text presets that you can use. So over here, you can see that this is a text preset. Simply click on it, and what happens is that it comes up over here on the section just like this, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around and click, then you can see that fashion is here. Let me just go around and type in tutor, as you can see, and you can select the sale right here and type in tube over here, and that's it. That is how you can modify this out, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the color, as you can see just like this as well, and change this around over here as per how you like. And that is how you can utilize the pre-existing text presets just like this. So there's different text presets as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and then pull this in, and you can see that there's this interesting text preset right here just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say learn right here just like this, and this is what you have. So apart from that, you can see that this is what you have right here. And you can also go around and select out this. Let's say, for example, tutor tube just like this. You can go around and select it, and let me just go around over here, type in tutor tube as well. So because they are made up of two layers to create an interesting effect just like this. So that is how you can utilize text presets inside a Pixlr Designer for a quick design effect for an interesting outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.